Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Development Zone. The concessionaire is Duongdi Road and Bridge Construction Company Limited. The developer of the project is Vangtao-Phonthong Joint Development International Company Limited. The project background of the Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Zone. According to the government's strategic plan for the development of special economic zones. According to the Investment Promotion Law and the Decree on Special Economic Zones, the government promotes individuals, legal entities and all economic sectors both domestic and abroad. Investing in the development of special economic zones. Duongdi Road and Bridge Construction Company, Limited, understands the importance of the government's development plan policy to develop the special economic zones. And based on the special location of Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Development Zone in Champasak Province, Duongdi Company has operated a feasibility study, also development plan and proposed a concession with the government about this project in Champasak Province. On 12 May 2016, the government of the Republic of Laos was represented by the Lao National Committee to manage special economic zones and specific economic zones. And Duongdi Company signed an agreement to develop Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Zone, Champasak Province. According to the concession agreement, the two parties have jointly established Vangtao-Phonthong Joint Development International Limited to be responsible for the development of the economic development zone of Vangtao-Phonthong, Champasak Province. The project objectives. The development project aims to develop the Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Zone to become an economic zone with facilities for domestic and foreign investors, with a strong economic base, civilized culture society, strengthening the civilization culture of the nation, conservation environment, sustainable development, turning to service, administration and management of modern industry, transparent and verifiable. The project location. Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Development Zone locates in Phonthong District, Champasak Province. The location of the area is located along the road 16W to Vangtao International Crossing, 43 kilometers away from Paksi City through the Paksi Friendship Bridge, which is one of the economic zones of Champasak Province. The project details. Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Development Zone was established in 2016 with a total investment of $250 million, registered capital of $75 million, with the government holding 30% of shares. The total economic development zone area is 253 hectares. The concession period is 99 years from the date, the 12th of May 2016. The goal is to be a light industrial zone, border trade zone and services. Development duration. The project construction will take 15 years divided into 3 durations, from 2016 to 2030. Duration 1 will take 5 years to develop that starts from 2016 to 2020. And include the following activities: fences around the boundaries of the area, gates and entrances to the area, survey design and planning for the construction of infrastructure, construction of infrastructure and utility systems, sewage treatment and waste disposal, electricity water supply, etc. Construction of service centers for logistics warehouses, passenger transport and parking service station, commercial building and community market, duty-free shopping malls and project office. Duration 2 will take 5 years to develop that starts from 2021 to 2025, and include the following activities: continue to build infrastructure and public utilities, build and use food centers and shopping centers, real estate, allocated houses, buildings and shelters, fuel service centers, banks and financial institutions, tourism activities such as hotels, amusement parks, water parks, conference and exhibition centers. Duration 2 will take 5 years to develop that starts from 2021 to 2025. and includes the following activities: light industrial zones for export such as processing industries, electronic and technology assembly plants. The Vangtao-Phonthong Economic Zone Development Plan consists of 7 main activities. 1. Duty-free shops. 2. Trade center of Dan Market. 3. Real estate, allotment houses, commercial and residential buildings. 4. Banks and financial institutions. 5. Tourism and hotel systems. 6. Logistics warehouse service. 7. Production area for export, infrastructure system, electricity water supply system, sewage treatment and waste disposal. In an area of 253 hectares and with an overall development plan, it is divided into many sub-activities. Duty-free shops. Border parking lots. Transport stations, shopping centers and real estate areas. Department stores, hotels and resorts. Industrial and wastewater treatment areas. Treatment areas and public park area. Champasak Dry Port Development Plan.